Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prep Inc. Today we're going to be preparing this Kinder's Homestyle stuffing. So if you've lost your box or you just like a visual guide, we're here to help. We've got everything that we need assembled here today. You're of course going to need your stuffing mix, a bowl to mix it up in, a 9-inch baking pan. I'm actually using an 8-inch today, so my cooking time might be slightly longer than if you're using a 9-inch, but I only have so many pans, you know? That's how it goes. Anyway, you're also going to need a whisk or a fork. That's what I'm going to use. Some cooking spray to prepare your pan with, and a spatula for stirring things. You could also use a spoon if you'd like. We're going to need 4 tablespoons of butter, 2 eggs, and 1.5 cups of chicken broth. You could also use any other type of broth you would like. I'm sure that it doesn't really matter. So the first thing that we need to do is preheat our oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. And then we're just going to go ahead and prepare our pan by spraying it with some cooking spray or using some butter to grease it up, and then set that aside. Next, in our bowl, we're going to combine our chicken broth and our eggs and whisk them together until they are well blended. After that, whisk in your butter so that everything is combined, and then pour in your stuffing mix. Make sure that everything is coated, and then we're going to let that sit for 5 minutes so that the little croutons can absorb all of our liquid.
If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there.
It has been 5 minutes, and we are going to pour this into our prepared baking pan, spread it out so that everything is fairly even, and then we are ready to pop this into the oven for their recommended bake time of 30 to 35 minutes, or until it's firm in the center. That is for a 9-inch pan. I will check this around that time, but I'm anticipating this could take more like 40 minutes to 45 minutes, but I will come back and let you know exactly how long it takes in my oven.
If you like what we're doing here, please consider sending a super thanks. It helps us continue to provide more amazing content.
All right, guys, welcome back. It has been 39 minutes in my oven, and we are looking for the center to feel firm to the touch. This has a bit of spring, but is firm. That's what you're looking for. If it is too firm, then it's probably over-baked. But if you have a little bit of spring, but it feels firm like a loaf of bread, let's say, then that's what you're looking for. So now you wanna just let this cool for about 5 to 10 minutes before you serve it. But here's our completed Kinder's Homestyle stuffing mix. If you shop for groceries, definitely check out our other channel, 5-Minute Eats, where we review everyday grocery items and let you know if we would purchase them again or not. But in the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we'll catch you guys next time. Bye.
All right, guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5-Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.